can be a follower of any religion, or you can be a person who follows your own conscience, or you can be a person who follows science or any other belief that you believe. But if you go deep down in every religious scripture, or in every way that you are trying to make your life better, it always teaches you to be a better human. You may have selected one path in your life, or one spiritual belief in your life, to make yourself a better human. So if you think deeply, if you research your religion or your purpose or whatever the path that you have searched, it is always focused on building a better human of you. So why is it that people are more focused on whatever the belief that they have, rather than whatever the teachings that any scripture or any consciousness or any science teaches, to be a better person, better human, so that they can receive the best out of their life? If we take how this universe has worked from the history or any science book, it's about how we act upon something that will react to us. So if you are acting in a bad way or acting in an inhuman way towards anything in the universe or to any person, that is yourself releasing something negative to the universe. So what you send out is what you are going to attract. Most people ask me this question, like, why is it when other people hurt me, why can't I take revenge, or why can't I hurt them back? So it's simply like this. Whoever hurts you is sending out toxic energy or negative energy towards you and the universe. And if you do the same, if you say that the majority of people are inhuman, and if you are contributing to the inhuman society, or if you are contributing to the toxicity in this universe, that means you are not trying to make this place a better place to other humans as well. If you are a believer, of being human towards each other, if you are a believer who is believing that you have to do good to others, and if you still say, because of the society I am not doing something like this, because of the other people I am not doing something like this, if you're killing the good in you, saying that reasoning other people's actions, reasoning other people's every other actions or reactions from the other people, if you are breaking the good in you for other people's actions and reactions, that is not a justifiable or an explanation that could be taken as a justified explanation. If you cut down a tree, then you know that you're going to get more heat and everything. But if you grow a tree, if you grow a good deed, it will benefit you by cooling the nature around you, or giving foods, or adding beauty to the nature, to the environment that you have. So just be the person who grows trees in the universe, not a person who cut down trees saying that other people are cutting down, so that I'm also cutting down. It doesn't matter what other people do. Even if 100 of people are doing something wrong, it doesn't mean that you have to fall into that category and do wrong. That means you as a person, you are not believing that this world is going to be a better place for the humans. So focus more on doing how to be a human, how to act with kindness, how to spread the good in people, how to be a good person. And it doesn't matter what other people are going to do to you, because what they do to us is something what they are going to get rewards for, from the fate, karma, from the religious perspective, or for any perspective. If you send out negative energy, if you do something wrong, you have to be accountable for that. From the universe you will be taught about that, and we have seen it by time to time with explanation. If you are a believer of any spiritual religion, or if you are a believer of anything, any science or whatever it is, you have not got the fruit of whatever the religion or the science that you are believing is, unless you are a better human following that path. So it doesn't matter what is around you. What matters is what is within you, and what is it that you are going to spread and grow in this universe.